Well, aloha everyone. Well, I would like to welcome you to our Agricultural and Environmental Awareness Day. This is our 13 times that we run this year, this event, so we've been doing that for 13 years. We have hundreds and hundreds of students who attended this in the past, so I'm very happy that you guys are here with us today because this is such a great opportunity for students to see and feel and touch and see how important agriculture is in our life, and especially here in Hawaii.
Can you match the plant from the picture from the board onto the plants in these containers here?
Hold it. And those can get a little bit bigger, but not too big.
Lady beetles.
Height, yeah, sure. Size, so color, shape, size, color, yeah. Yeah, you got it. Because there's like.
Other plants like pineapples, sugar cane. Do you guys know what taro is? Yes. Taro, they eat taro.
Yeah, this one's not in fruit right now, unfortunately. And then the fig.
What about sardines?